Folks, let me ask you something. Have you ever tried managing multiple social media accounts and felt like you're fighting the platform itself? You know that frustration when Instagram logs you out for the third time today, or Twitter hits you with another verification code. Or worse, your client's page gets flagged just because you logged in from your laptop. I am Daniel, and I've been there. Today, I'm showing you GoLogin, a tool that actually solves this nightmare. Watch this video till the end, and I'll show you how to get 2 GB of proxy traffic completely free. And with it, it becomes way easier to start working with multiple social media accounts safely, without unnecessary risks. In this video, we'll walk through the complete setup and see how it handles everything simultaneously. I'll show you why this changes the game for agencies, freelancers, and anyone juggling multiple online identities. Guys, I'll leave my link in the description and in the pinned comment. That's where you can grab the discount and the free 2 GB proxy bonus if it's available at the time you watch this. Let's dive into it. Mates, here's the reality of managing multiple social media accounts. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and TikTok have one job: stop bots and fake activity. The problem is their systems can't tell the difference between a bot and you, a legitimate professional managing clients. So what happens? You log into 5 Instagram pages from your laptop, and suddenly every single one gets hit with verification codes. You're entering passwords, waiting for SMS messages, proving you're human with CAPTCHAs. Then comes the worst part: restrictions and suspensions. And it's not just about bans, guys. It's the constant switching that kills productivity. You log out of one, log into another, enter the password, wait for 2-factor authentication. By the time you're in, you've forgotten what you wanted to post. Then your team member in another country tries to access the same page, and boom, suspicious login detected. Traditional solutions don't work either. A basic VPN often gets detected quickly, especially when the same IP range is linked to automation or bulk activity. Platforms monitor these patterns and react fast. Guys, virtual machines add complexity and cost, yet they rarely fix the core issue. Even inside a virtual setup, your browser fingerprint can still connect accounts together. Sharing passwords through spreadsheets or chat tools creates another layer of risk. Credentials get copied, forwarded, or stored in places that were never meant to hold sensitive access. Instead of solving the problem, these methods usually create new ones. The platforms see everything: your device, IP address, browser cookies, even your screen resolution. When everything shares the same digital fingerprint, they know it's one person controlling it all. That's what triggers the bans. So you're stuck between doing your job and platforms punishing you for it. That's exactly the problem GoLogin was built to solve. Friends, GoLogin is an anti-detect browser designed for professionals who need to manage multiple accounts across different platforms safely. The main challenge it addresses is platform detection systems that flag and ban users for operating several accounts from the same device. Here's what makes it work. When you launch a browser session, the software generates a unique digital fingerprint. This isn't just about changing your IP address. We're talking about device specifications, time zone data, screen resolution, and hardware signatures like WebGL and canvas rendering. Every detail that websites use to identify you gets customized per session. The difference between this and regular browsers is fundamental. Chrome Incognito just hides your history. Switching browser still leaves the same device fingerprint. This tool rebuilds your entire digital identity from scratch for each session. Platforms see genuinely separate users, not one person trying to bypass their rules. And mates, the beauty is you don't need to be technical to use it. The complexity happens in the background. You create a session, pick a location for your proxy, and hit run. GoLogin handles fingerprint generation, proxy routing, and session isolation automatically. Your job is just managing the accounts themselves. This works across any platform you can think of: social networks, e-commerce sites, crypto exchanges, ad platforms, marketplaces. If a website limits how many accounts you can operate, this bypasses that restriction cleanly. The browser is Chromium-based, so it feels exactly like Chrome, with the same speed, extensions, and interface. Folks, one feature that stands out is collaborative access. You can share sessions with team members without handing over passwords. They open the session on their device and pick up right where you stopped. Everything stays synced through the cloud, so there's no juggling of login credentials or cookie files. GoLogin includes built-in proxies covering over 100 countries. You can also bring your own if you prefer. It supports residential, mobile, and data center types, and tests connection quality before letting you proceed. This removes the guesswork from proxy setup. For agencies, this changes how client work gets done. Instead of constantly logging in and out, you organize everything in folders by client or platform. Each session remembers its login state, so you just open it and continue working. No authentication loops, no verification codes, no explaining to clients why their account got flagged. Security runs through AES 256 encryption, and data lives on cloud servers with 99.99% uptime. Your information stays protected and accessible from any authorized device. Friends, what this does is strip away the friction platforms built into multi-account management. It makes handling 50 accounts feel like handling one. No bans, no constant logins, no technical headaches. The system is built for professionals who need things to work reliably: social media managers, e-commerce operators, agencies. It solves the problem at the source instead of making you work around it. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Alright, let me show you exactly how this works through a realistic scenario. Imagine you're an SMM manager at a digital agency. You're handling several client accounts across Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and TikTok. You've got a virtual assistant working remotely from another country who needs access to some of these. And your biggest headache right now is constantly logging in and out, dealing with verification codes, and praying none of the profiles get flagged for suspicious activity. So here's how you'd set this up. You open GoLogin, and you can already see a few environments ready to go: Facebook, Google, CoinList, LinkedIn. These are your digital workspaces, and each one acts as a completely separate identity. Mates, first thing you do is get organized. You rename these sessions to match your clients. Maybe give them a name or a number, something that makes sense when you're juggling dozens of them. You can add tags, include notes about posting schedules, or brand guidelines. Basically anything that helps you stay on top of things when you're moving fast. Now create folders for each platform. I prefer to set it up like this: one for Facebook pages, one for TikTok channels, one for LinkedIn presence, and one for X profiles. This keeps everything clean when you're managing multiple clients. You can invite your VA directly to specific folders. You enter their email and choose their permission level. They can either run specific tasks, edit content, or get full access to everything. No password sharing, no security risks. Folks, let's say you're setting up a Facebook account for a client in the United Kingdom. You take one of the existing sessions and move it into your designated folder. Now you need to configure it properly so the platform doesn't flag it as suspicious. First step is assigning a proxy. This client is based in the UK, so we selected the United Kingdom as the location. You can even drill down to specific cities if needed. This gives the session a legitimate British IP address, which is critical because the platform will check where the login is coming from. Next, you adjust time zone and language settings. The system sets this automatically based on your proxy, but you can customize them. Small details, but they matter for authenticity. Then there's screen resolution, guys. Different devices have different displays, so you can define what websites will detect. This adds another layer to making the session look like a real person using their own laptop. You also have the option to import cookies if you're transferring an existing profile from another browser. And there's a fingerprint refresh button that regenerates the entire digital signature, makes it look like a completely new device to any platform check-in. You could go deeper into advanced settings like WebRTC, Canvas, and storage configurations. But honestly, for most cases, the automatic settings handle everything perfectly. You don't need to be a tech expert to make this work. My friends, status shows ready, so you hit run. A separate browser window opens, looks exactly like Chrome because it's built on the same engine. But this window is completely isolated from everything else you have running. You log into your client's business page, enter the credentials, complete any verification if it's the first time. Once you're in, the system remembers everything. Next time you open this session, you won't need to log in again. It just continues from where you stopped. You close the window when you're done, and everything saves to the cloud automatically. Cookies, login state, browsing history, all of it. Tomorrow when you open it again, it's like you never left. Your client's feed is right there, notifications intact, ready to work. Now folks, let's say you need to set up another client. This one's a tech startup in New South Wales that needs help with their LinkedIn account. You create a new profile and assign it an Australian proxy. You add it to your designated folder, refresh the fingerprint so it gets a unique digital identity, and quickly review the settings. Everything looks good. You run it and another isolated window opens showing the login page. You enter the credentials, and just like that, you're managing their presence. Notice how smooth this is, mates. No suspicious login warnings, no verification requests. Because to the platform, this session looks like a completely legitimate user logging in from Australia. Let me skip ahead because you've already set up several profiles at this point. You open one of your client's business pages, and it's logged in, ready to use. No friction, no waiting. Now you want to add a TikTok channel for a fashion brand client. You create a new session, select your designated folder, assign the right proxy location, and review everything. Looks good, so you create it and run it. The platform opens, you log in with the client's credentials, and you're set. The channel's now saved in your workspace. Here's something powerful, mates. You don't have to create this one by one. Let's say you just signed 3 new clients, and each one needs Instagram, X, and LinkedIn. You can bulk create several profiles at once. Massive time saver when you're scaling up or launching a new campaign. You also have default profile settings, where you can create templates. So every time you add a new Instagram page, it automatically uses your preferred configurations. 2-factor settings, browser extensions, API integrations, everything pre-configured. You're not manually adjusting the same settings over and over. Now let's say you're setting up X for another client. You create the session, run it, head to the login page, and use the credentials they provided. Once you're in, the session is saved and ready for daily use. And guys, look at your dashboard now. You've got multiple X profiles already created for different clients. This is where folders become essential. When you're managing 20 or 30 pages, folders keep you sane. Everything's organized, easy to find, and you can bulk manage them when needed. Now here's the magic moment. You need to work on 3 different X profiles at the same time. Maybe you're scheduling posts, responding to comments, checking analytics. You select all 3 sessions and run them simultaneously. 3 separate browser windows open, each one logged into a different profile. You're posting in one, checking notifications in another, engaging with followers in the third. They're running as completely separate identities, with zero risk of being linked by the platform's detection systems. Okay, now let's imagine your VA in France messages you asking for access to the fashion brand's page on X. No problem, you share that specific session with them by entering their email and setting their permission level. Or you generate a shareable link with controlled access. They open it on their device in Toulouse, and they're looking at the exact same session you were just using. Logged in, ready to work, no passwords exchanged. And if you need to duplicate a setup, maybe you're launching similar campaigns for 2 clients, you just clone an existing session and adjust the specifics. Saves you from configuring everything from scratch. There's also a cookies section with some handy automation options. You can import them from other browsers, toggle image loading on or off, and enable auto-click functions. Depending on your workflow, these settings can speed up repetitive tasks significantly. One more thing, folks. Below your workspace, there's a help section with detailed guides on various topics. You'll find articles about warming up new pages, understanding proxy settings, and handling common scenarios. There's full customer support documentation and an FAQ section covering frequent questions. And if you still need assistance after that, GoLogin's support team is available 24/7 on live chat, ready to help with whatever issues you run into. So that's your complete workflow. From organizing client pages, to running multiple sessions simultaneously, to collaborating with remote team members. You've eliminated the constant logging in and out and the ban anxiety. You're just working efficiently, managing everything from one centralized workspace, and your clients never see any disruptions or suspicious activity flags. Okay, mates, let's wrap it up. GoLogin removes the friction of managing multiple accounts, logins, verifications, bans, and the constant anxiety for social media managers, agencies, and anyone handling multiple online identities. This tool shifts the workflow from reactive to proactive. Guys, if you want to try the same setup you saw in this video, check my link in the description and the pinned comment. That's where you can get the 40% discount, and that's also where you can claim the 2 GB of free proxy traffic. Set up one profile per account or per client, assign a stable proxy location, verify it with a quick MyIP check, and then work inside that same environment consistently. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.